So my name is Yuma. I'm the co-founder and chief strategy officer of Xenea, and some people call me a diplomat of Xenea, just because I roam around the global south, mostly the Middle East and African continent, and most of the time I'm kind of out of the Web3 realm, but instead I talk to the governments, military, more like conventional business owners. So I think I act more like a diplomat than a chief strategy officer of Xenea. So I think I just asked my boy to turn on the comments here so that you can ask me questions or give me any thoughts and ideas. I don't know, it looks like it's his a way. But anyway, yeah, I don't have to just keep you wait. So yeah, let's talk about the roadmap. So tonight's space is a straightforward but important follow-up to the updated Xenea Roadmap we published earlier today. And I want to walk you through the details, highlight what's coming in the next couple of months, and give everyone a clear sense of where we're headed as a project. So a quick recap, let's do that. If you missed the announcement, here's a brief recap. And last August, we introduced our first roadmap to TGE and setting up our strategy to develop the Xenea blockchain and launch the Xenea wallet. And now, 10 months later, Xenea wallet is live. The wallet season 2 is wrapping up, and we're ready to move into what we calling our public phase. And along the way, we've learned a lot, of course, including how important things like fundraising and business development are, not just the technology. So this updated roadmap reflects those lessons and the current plan as we move forward. So what's coming in the next couple of months? Q3 on, I think in the roadmap, it says like a Q3 and Q4, and we're obviously in the Q4, and no, Q3. I just got a message from my guy. No, it's just a Slack bot. Okay, forget it. Yeah, so in the next couple of months, Q3, Xenea Wallet Season 3 is launching, and with it, we're introducing on-chain missions. And these missions will let users, you guys, try out new products and features from our ecosystem partners directly inside the wallet. The goal is to make the wallet experience even more interactive, useful, and fun, giving everyone more ways to engage. And integration of financial features. This one is very important. Integration of financial features will begin. So we're rolling out on and off ramps, card features, and in-store payment options. This is about making it easier for everyone to actually use the crypto in daily life. Not just as a trading asset, but for real life spending and access. That sounds good, right? I've always dreamt about bringing this feature to you guys, like over 3 million users out there. This feature is one of the most important and wanted one, I think. But yeah, in the next couple of months, there'll be an integration of financial features, and you can use the Xenea wallet in daily life, not for the sake of Web3, but for your daily transactions. I think it'll kind of depend on where you live. I think it's really up to where you're based, but technically we're gonna bring that feature to every one of you. So the next one is a public testnet launch. So public testnet launch is coming up as well. Here, developers will be able to build and test applications in a true Mainnet-like environment, especially those that leverage decentralized storage. So we'll use this phase to gather feedback and ideas and make sure everything is solid before we launch the mainnet. That's the idea. And the last one in the Q3 is the node sale. Yeah, node sale. We'll also be holding our node sale for DACS and rep nodes very soon. And for those interested in being part of the network's infrastructure, right from the start, this will be a great opportunity. Yeah. And just to note, I'll be hosting another dedicated space focusing specifically on the node cell soon. So where I'll walk through all the details and how to participate and answer any related questions. Not today, but when we're reaching the point where we can disclose all the details and information about the node cell and how to participate in that. So yeah, I will do that very soon. Just wait for the right time. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do in Q3. I mean, from now to the next couple of months. And in Q4 2025, this year, a bit farther down the line, here is what's next. So public mainnet launch is the headline milestone for Q4, of course. That's when our EVM compatible layer 1 blockchain with integrated decentralized storage finally and officially goes live for everyone. This is gonna be this is gonna be the start of the journey, probably. It's been a long journey already, but yeah, without public mainnet launch, it's not really what's the journey, right? But Q4 this year, and I know we have already made sure all wait so long for the mainnet and the TGE and everything. So let us try so hard to keep this promise to you guys all. So yeah, that's gonna be the biggest one for Q4. And the following the mainnet launch, it's proof of democracy and rep node. So Xenea wallet users will also be able to participate in network security and consensus by operating rep nodes, playing an active role in securing and governing the Xenea blockchain. And as you might already know, we have invented a new type of consensus mechanism, which is called proof of democracy, POD in short. And that just turns like all the Xenea wallets connected to the network into the voting node for transactions. So you can just very casually participate as as a voting node in the network just by using the Xenea wallet. And of course, like I said, there'll be a node sale of during the Q3, like from now to the next couple of months. You can, if you participate in the node sale and get some grip of and get a rep node, there'll be much more much more to do as a rep node operator. So yeah, that's the second thing for Q4. And the last thing is finally token generation event TGE. I think I've got literally 1,000 comments or DMs of asking like when the TGE is. Like when is TGE? That's like the key phrase for the past few months, I think. And I feel you all. Yes, we have kept you wait so long, but finally, TGE token generation event will happen in Q4 this year. And yeah, for TGE, when it comes to TGE, after a brief stabilization period post mainnet launch, we will hold the TGE, minting and distributing XENE tokens to ecosystem participants, with a special rewards for those who've actually contributed through the wallet. Probably if you're here, you all are actively participating in the gem mining or like daily missions on Xenea wallet. So that's what I mean. So with the special rewards for those people, for those of you who have actively contributed through the wallet. So just let's just look forward to TGE together. But yeah, that's pretty much it about the roadmap. We released earlier today. So to sum up, over the next couple of months, expect Wallet Season 3, new on-chain missions, and financial feature rollouts, like on and off ramp, card features, and like in-store payments. That's what I mean by financial features rollouts. The public testnet and the node cell, with a dedicated space to dive into the node cell details. Of course, before the node cell. I mean, very, very soon. Then we, as we get to Q4, we'll move into mainnet launch, the activation of proof of democracy (POD), and the TGE. So these are the things that will happen for the next few months this year. Very excited. And yeah, just so you know, I'll be hosting spaces like this regularly from now on. And you can expect more updates both here and from my own account, just like I did yesterday. It was a very casual one. I did just random talk on my own. But yeah, I'll be doing spaces like this constantly. And it's really important to me that everyone stays in the loop and has a front row seat to everything happening in the Xenea ecosystem. Because at the end of the day, community is everything. Like you guys are what we've got, right? So yeah, please stay in the loop with me, with us, and yeah, just let's get everything successful for the next few months, and we will see the brighter future together. So that's pretty much it today, I think. And for some reason, the comment section's not working. But has anyone sent me DMs or any comments down below my post? Probably not. Okay, I don't see any comments on my feed. Okay, but yes, yeah, just follow this account, of course, and follow my account to keep up with the latest information. And once again, I'll be hosting spaces like this from pretty much regularly from now on, from today or from yesterday. And yeah, expect more updates from me. So thank you all for tuning in tonight and for being part of the new journey. We're genuinely excited for what's coming, and we appreciate your continued support. And if you have any questions, any opinions, any ideas to make XENE wallet better, or the whole ecosystem better, don't hesitate to DM me or DM the official account or to anyone of my team. Yeah, someone will just catch up with that, and we will just consider it to make it happen as much as possible. Okay. So that's it for today. It's a kind of a short, brief recap of what we've covered in the roadmap we released earlier today. So okay, yeah, for some reason I could. No, I can't. So there's no button on my account on my page on my screen to activate the comments section. Yeah, we'll catch up later, right? Probably tomorrow. I'll be speaking on my own again, on my own account. Probably around this time tomorrow. Okay. So, yeah, that's it. It's 10:30 p.m. here in Japan, Tokyo, and I gotta walk my dog before going to bed. So, yeah, let me just walk my dog, my precious dog, Bryony. So, have a good one. Have a good day. Have a good night. Thank you for tuning in, and let's hopefully let's talk tomorrow again around this time tomorrow. Okay. So that's it from now from me. Okay. Bye. Have a good one.